welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, it's going to be a MacBook Air unboxing. So personally, I wanted a MacBook Air or a MacBook for a little bit. So today we went to the Apple store and we finally got me a MacBook. And I'm going to unbox it for you guys, so yeah. Okay guys, so here it is. It's the MacBook Air. We did end up getting a few of its features, like upgraded it. You don't have to get that if you don't want to, obviously. But yeah, so I'm so excited. So let's just get on to the unboxing. Alright, so let's unbox it. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh my god, okay, let's do it. Oh my gosh. So, this is what it looks like. Ooh, oh my god, okay, let's take it out. Wow, it's actually really light. That's nice. What's in the box? That's what it looks like under the laptop. Something, whatever, that no one reads. The charger. And that's it. Okay. Oh my god. The best part of it all. Taking the plastic off. Oh my gosh. I'm nervous. Oh my god, it's so nice. Like, let's open it. Oof. Oh my god, oh my god, it smells new. Like right when you open it, you can it smells new. This is, oh my god. Whoa! It's so light. What? Oh my god. Guys, this is... It's so nice. Oh my god. Alright, so we unboxed it, and so on the sides it just has the charger. Can you guys see that? The USB thingy, headphone jack, and then it has the SD card, which is nice, and then just has another USB port thingy, and then it has a Thunderbolt. I don't know what that does, but apparently, anyways, yeah. Also, if you get a MacBook from Apple, you also get some Beats with it, so that's pretty cool. So if you want a MacBook, go get yourself some Beats with it too. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, bye.